Oh, Japan, my favorite place in the world. The people, the tradition, the amazing food, fragrant tea, and wicked sake. The sushi is the most popular food in Japan, but the onigiri is where it's at. Onigiri is a traditional Japanese food that consists of triangular or oval-shaped rice balls, filled with savory ingredients wrapped in nori seaweed. The history of onigiri can be traced back to the 8th century, when rice was first cultivated in Japan. Over time, onigiri became a popular portable snack for travelers and field workers. Samurai warriors also carried onigiri with them throughout their travels as a convenient, nourishing food during battles. Today, onigiri is still a beloved food in Japan, and it can be enjoyed globally. Onigiri, the peanut butter and jelly sandwich of Japan. Let's get started. Grab some sriracha, some plum vinegar, canned salmon, canned albacore tuna, black sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds, rice vinegar, mayo, some seaweed, and of course, rice. While your rice is cooking, start preparing your fillings. I salted my salmon and then mixed my tuna with sriracha and plum sauce. Once the rice was finished, I placed it in a bowl with about a tablespoon of rice vinegar, some black sesame seeds, and then I set it aside to cool. Lay down some plastic wrap and place a generous amount of rice and adding a dollop of filling to taste. Then, wrapping it all up, forming a ball at first, then sculpting into a triangle. This may take a little practice, but there really isn't any wrong way. Nori seaweed is simple to wrap and sticks to the rice easily. I did this a few times to show a few different ways to wrap. And the money shot, quick and easy, rough and tumble, grab and go. Bon appetit!